Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make banana and oats porridge. Now this porridge is very good for your body, so keep on watching. Here I am going to show you two ways in which you can peel a green banana. It is better if you use a glove to peel the banana. If you don't have one, you can use your hand, but make sure you rub some cooking oil. Then you wash your hand with soap after peeling it, because it will make your fingers stainy. Make thin slices so that they will blend easily. Green bananas are a rich source of potassium. Potassium is good for our kidneys. It also helps to keep blood pressure under control. I am making a small amount of porridge, so I'm using 2 bananas. But if you want a thicker consistency and more porridge, then you can use more bananas. I am adding half cup of instant oats, but you can use whichever oats you prefer. Here I am adding 1 cup of water. You can add coconut milk instead. Mine couldn't blend, so I had to add more water. Blend the mixture until it is smooth. When using a blender, stop in between blending so that it will not damage the blade. After blending, check the consistency of the mixture. If it is too thin, then add more oats. Here I have 1.5 cups of water. I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt. You can also add cinnamon stick at this time. When the water starts boiling, reduce the heat and mix while adding in the mixture. Mix for about a minute before removing the spoon so that it will not be lumpy. This porridge boils over very easily, so you have to keep an eye on it so that it will not boil over, because all the nutrients will be removed if that happens. So when it starts boiling, just cover halfway so it will not run over. Give it a stir occasionally so that it will not stick to the pot. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes on a medium flame. This is how I like my porridge, but if you don't like it that way, you can do it the way you like it. When the porridge finishes cooking, turn off the heat before adding in the milk. Here I am adding in 1/4 cups of milk because I don't want it to be thinner. Half cup of condensed milk. Two tablespoons of vanilla. And half spoon of grated nutmeg. Now I'm going to mix well so that it will be fully combined. Then I'm going to do a taste test to see if it reaches my desired taste. Here I am adding 4 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. If you're new here, welcome, and please remember to subscribe and hit that bell so you'll not miss any of my awesome videos. I added a little grated nutmeg on top so that it will give it an extra taste and flavor. Guys, this porridge tastes so good, so I hope you'll give it a try, and please give me a thumbs up and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Thanks for watching.